Good morning. Welcome to the July 19th Board of Contract and Supply. First order of business is approval of the meeting minutes from the July 12th meeting. Do we have a motion? Second? All those in favor? Aye. Second order of business, a bid opening, RFQ for insurance consulting broker services. Just read the name of the submitting firms into the record.
There was 5 submittals. One Group, Gallagher, Marabito Gresham, Harding Brooks Insurance, and HFC.
Motion to forward to the Finance Department for review. Second, all those in favor? Aye. Next is a bid opening for Journeyman Carpentry Services.
The first bidder is Pan American Enterprises.
Okay, this is Pan American Enterprises. I'm gonna read straight time, time and a half, double time, material markup, and subcontractor markup. So for Pan American Enterprises, straight time per hour is $52.46. Overtime is $78.69. Well, let me hold on a second. I think I should read the total price per hour, correct? Okay, sorry about that. So just a correction, this is Pan American Enterprises. Total price per hour straight time is $188.85. Total price per hour for overtime, $283.28. Double time is $377.71. Markup, contractor markup is 10%. Subcontractor markup is 10%.
Next bidder is F.E. Jones Construction.
Okay, this is F.E. Jones Construction. Total price per hour straight time is $110.75. Overtime is $140.40. Double time is $177.12. Contractor markup is 8%. Subcontractor markup is 8%.
Next bidder is Fair Trade Carpentry.
This is Fair Trade Carpentry. Straight time is $72.39. Overtime is $108.59. Double time is $144.78. Contractor markup is 10%. Subcontractor markup is 10%.
Next bidder is Marchuska Brothers.
This is Marchuska Brothers Construction. Straight time, $178. Overtime, $132.32. Overtime, $159.88. Contractor markup is 10%. Subcontractor markup is 10%.
Mayor, can you say the first straight time again?
I'm sorry. Straight time, this is for Marchuska, is $100.78. Overtime, $132.30. Over double time is $159.88.
I think you said 178 for the first one.
I'm sorry.
Next bidder is PJF Enterprises.
Okay, TJF Enterprises. Straight time is $69 per hour. Overtime is $103.50 per hour. Double time is $138. Contractor markup is 8%. Subcontractor markup is 8%.
Final bidder is Anthony Giamarino Associates.
This is Anthony Giamarino Associates. Straight time, $81.26. Overtime, $108.92. Overtime, 142, or double time, $142.80. Contractor markup is 10%. Subcontractor markup is 8%. We have a motion to forward to the Department of Public Works for review.
Motion. Second.
All those in favor? Aye. Next up is a purchase approval of two Ford Bronco, permission to advertise, excuse me, two Ford Bronco sport vehicles for DPW. This is through the OGS Vehicle Marketplace. We had previously ordered two Ford Escapes through Shenango Sales. However, those vehicles have been canceled by the Ford factory. We have a motion to permission to advertise.
Motion.
Second. All those in favor? Aye. Next, order of business is purchase of approval of three police interceptor utility vehicles from Utilitac. This was a low bidder following a lack of response from the state OGS, or did we get this from OGS? Okay. Got it. And Chief, they send these in with all of the bells and whistles. They do it all from. Okay,
Chief, it's $39,000 less than if we bought it on state bid.
he's black, Chief. Okay. Any questions?
I just think we need to note that, Mayor, that state bid's not always the cheapest way to go.
Sure.
I think. Sometimes it's the easier, but not the most cost effective one.
You have a motion?
Motion.
Second. All those in favor? Aye. Purchase approval for a Sharp digital copier for water administration through EBE Office Source. This is our current contract with EBE Office Source. Total cost of the copier is $4,775. Available in the water capital line. A second.
Second.
All those in favor? Aye.
Bernice, which line is that? 54630.
Might be equipment. Is that
FX line, Chuck.
I know that, but I think this was set up to be originally for software related to for a maintenance system they didn't buy. Do we have to move money? We'll assume this is right. We'll verify.
Okay,
Approve it pending the budget line.
if it needs to be brought back next week, you can bring it back. Change order number 5, Bolin Excavating. Pedestrian safety improvements. This is a deduct of $2,365.91. This is the final change order and we'll close out project. Any questions? A motion?
Motion.
Of a second?
Second.
All those in favor? Aye. We have an add-on of a purchase approval for 2 cooling towers through Modular Comfort Systems. This is for the Boscov's site. These were to replace cooling towers that were removed and inoperable due to the demolition of the Water Street garage. Modular Comfort Systems is a sole source. They're the lone authorized agent for the HVAC product that has been spec'd. And we have a sole source letter as well.
I'll make a motion.
Move a second.
Second.
All those in favor? Aye. Any other add-on?
No.
Okay, do we have a motion to adjourn?
Motion.
All those in favor? Aye. We are adjourned.